Hello, today I'm going to help you fix the error message. This application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way on Windows. This error often pops up when a program encounters a serious problem with the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library. It could be caused by corrupted software, incompatible drivers, or damaged runtime components. Let's get started. Step 1. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables using Control Panel Sept. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on Programs, then click on Programs and Features. Look through the list for items that begin with Microsoft Visual C++. For each of these, click once to select it, then click Change. In the new window that appears, click Repair, then select Yes to confirm. At this point, a restart will be required. We'll do that later. Repeat this for all Visual C++ entries in the list. After repairing all of them, restart your computer. Step 2, run System File Checker SFC. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, then select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. Wait patiently while the system scans and attempts to repair any corrupted files. Once the scan is finished, close Command Prompt. Restart your computer once more. Hopefully this resolved the issue for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.